Good afternoon, my dear students. How are you? Welcome to one more amazing session from Infinity Learn by Sri Chaitanya. This is Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry. Good afternoon to you all. How are you? Annamani, good afternoon. Abhishek, good afternoon. Very good afternoon, all my dear students. Welcome to NEET STEP UP 2025 program on YouTube platform. Infinity Learn is offering you physics, chemistry, biology sessions right from 12 o'clock to evening 6 o'clock. And Monday to Saturday, you all join without any fail so that you can do very good preparation with us, and you can be excel in your NEET examination that to be conducted in 2025. And the sessions that we are giving is absolutely useful for those students who are preparing for NEET examination and those students who are in grade 11 and 12 and dropped from 12 and preparing for NEET 2025. सब लोग को ये हमारा सेशंस फायदा हो जाएगा, है ना? Abhishek, how are you in the previous class? You are there here. Annamani, fine. Good to see. And today's topic of interest is going to be ionic equilibrium. Before going for this ionic equilibrium, I just want to discuss about something what Infinity Learn is doing for the student community preparing for NEET examinations. Before that, Ayush Power, hello. Today we are going to see awesome multiple choice questions from ionic equilibrium. Get ready for that. Ayush, get ready. And look at this. I just want to take a reference of those students who already succeeded in 2024 examination, and let us see, there are 4 students that have been presented here, Ashrita and Akhil Verma and Hemadyuti and Satya Narayana, and you can check their previous score just 310 marks in 2023 NEET examination, and 2024 Ashrita got 661 marks, and which indicates that there is a huge improvement of 351. And also you can see Akhil Verma 313 marks in 2023 and 658 marks in 2024. So there is a 345 marks increment. So that is the power of the Infinity Learn academic program. Arpit Pandey, get ready for multiple choice questions. For you today, I made so many multiple choice questions. Get ready with that, okay? That's nice. And Hemadyuti got 2023 just 330 marks, and after taking the academic program from Infinity Learn, she secured 652 marks, and there is a 342 marks. Yes, there is an increment of almost, you see, 300 to 600, okay, or 350 plus marks increment, more than a double. Can you believe it? We are ready to do that. And you can see Satya Narayanan, he got 313, and in 2023 and 2024 650 marks. Are itna improvement kaise nikla? So I just want to explain you how they did it. In my description box you can see, my dear students, in my description box, this is my live session, है ना? In my live session, yes, how they did, I am going to show you. Everybody in the session, you just go through my live session, and there is a description box. Click on the more, and when you click on the more, you will begin getting all the description. In that description, you just go through the first link, boost your NEET score with Infinity Learn and enroll now. Click on the first link so that you will be directed to another page. Hi, Pankaj, right? You are Pankaj, yeah. And you can see all is NEET 2025 with a special NCERT based course, especially for droppers, and we used to get so many features in that. So comprehensive live videos and personalized learning experience, detailed study material and performance benchmarking and efficient revision tools, expert doubt resolution, national level mock test, and also unlimited practice test, targeted practice questions on par with Sri Chaitanya students. When you go through the various courses are being pursued here, and you can go through any program as you like. Say this is most recommended one, ये कोर्स का दाम ही इतना 15,000 था. When you go for 15,000, इसमें 50% डिस्काउंट दे चुका 9,000 rupees. But if you go through this particular, yes, Suresh 50 is a coupon code. If you use Suresh 50 coupon code, उससे आपको फ्लैट 20% डिस्काउंट मिलेगा. वर्क विथ मोहित. सो मोहित, यू कैन वर्क विथ सुरेश सर ऑन इन्फिनिटी लर्न यूट्यूब प्लेटफॉर्म, है ना. जस्ट within 2 minutes I am going to start ionic equilibrium. So if you apply Suresh 50 a coupon code, you can see here, and जो भी कोर्स आप लेना चाहता हूँ, and simply click on buy now. When you click on buy now, the page is going to be redirected. The page is going to be redirected. एक minute, yeah. Yes. Once the page is redirected, yes, when you click on the buy now and you enter your phone number, verify with your OTP, and the payment gateway will be given. You can use Google Pay or UPI, any net banking. When you go through the net banking or any payment gateway, before going for the payment, apply Suresh 50 so that 7,500 को आपका कोर्स मिलेगा. आयुष पावर, या so that is the batch price 7,500. उसमें 20% डिस्काउंट मिला के, है ना. It's very simple, and you can meet me and many lectures and all video lectures, 24/7 doubt resolution, and you will be getting everything in that. And with that price, no one is giving in India, right? Yes. Abhishek, send this link. Array, it is there in the डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. ये जो मेरा वीडियो है ना, यू कैन सी, ये जो मेरा वीडियो है ना, ये वीडियो के नीचे यू कैन सी द फर्स्ट बूस्ट योर नीट स्कोर with Infinity Learn and enroll now. That is the link. You can click that link and you will be directed there. Fine. Ayush Power, Mohit, Arpit Pandey. So get ready, 2 more minutes. Arpit Pandey, 2 more minutes please. Okay. Explosive shots. Okay. You all clicked it and you can see awesome experience, right? That's good. And upcoming schedule, something. And in the chat box also, you will be giving NEET boost your, Abhishek, hi, boost your score with NEET. Okay. And let's go with our context. Yes, Infinity Learn, boost your NEET score with Infinity Learn and enroll now. Infinity Learn link is given for you. Mohit and Ayush Power, Arpit Pandey, okay, Annamani and Pankaj, Abhishek. You just go through that, and if you are interested, you can join it. That's it. So, my dear students, you just see the experience of how Infinity Learn is doing, and we are getting into ionic equilibrium multiple choice questions, right? Get ready, all get ready. Ek fire emoji, ek thumbs up before we start the first question. Before we start the first question, I want to see the students' attendance here. Ek fire emoji and thumbs up. Yes. Pankaj, got. Arpit Pandey. Okay. Right. So I just want to say, which of the following is a non-electrolyte? Answer. Mohit, what is your answer in the question? What is your answer for this question? Abhishek. What is the answer for your question? Make it fast. So, NEET examination, you need to maintain the time as well. Whenever numerical is coming, you just take the answer and the time, whereas for simple theoretical oriented questions, simply take a fraction of minute, right? Non-electrolyte means, what is the meaning of non-electrolyte? Non-electrolyte is a substance which do not ionize. Non-electrolyte means do not ionize. when you dissolve in the water which do not ionize. If you want to take sodium chloride is going to ionize to gives rise sodium plus and Cl minus. अब जो आंसर दिया सही आंसर नहीं है. Okay, and calcium chloride also gives rise calcium 2 plus and 2 Cl minus. वो भी नहीं है. This is not and this is not. And CH3COOH, it is going to give rise CH3CO minus and H plus. So वो भी नहीं है. लेकिन glucose is the one do not ionize, do not ionize. So the substance when dissolved in the water which ionizes and furnishes ions, therefore they conduct electricity, such substances are called electrolytes. When the substance is dissolved in the water and it do not ionize and do not conduct electricity, such substances are called non-electrolytes. So glucose, urea and kind of substances are called non-electrolytes. अनिक पाल या जी क्वेश्चंस एंड आईआईटी नीट क्वेश्चंस दोनों बराबर लगते हैं. सिली मिस्टेक, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. पंकज, अर्पित पांडे, आपका आंसर सी मंजूर है बेटा, अच्छा किया. सो माय आंसर फॉर दिस इज ऑप्शन सी. गॉट इट. सो शुरुआत से एक फंडामेंटल क्वेश्चंस दिया हुआ और आगे आगे आपका मिलेगा अच्छा वाला क्वेश्चंस एंड नीट एंड IIT level questions will come. So this is a NEET STEP UP program. So जो भी question आपका आने का मान लो ये NEET का है. Okay, if you students are there want to study for IIT in this session, so जो भी multiple choice question के NEET and IIT mains का बराबर होता है. ठीक है बेटा? That's good, very nice. Right. So or a question, review this equilibrium, choose the correct statement. HClO4 plus H2O gives rise reversibly H3O plus and ClO4 minus. This is a free series of questions. Yes, Aish Power. Right now, this session is absolutely free on YouTube platform by Infinity Lane by Sri Chaitanya. I am Suresh and I am telling, I am giving chemistry lectures every day 1:30 to 3 o'clock, Monday to Saturday without any fail. Right, you all join the sessions, enjoy the sessions and gain the knowledge and take the advices. So advice के हिसाब से आप अच्छा तरफ अभ्यास करो and अच्छा तरफ result निकाल के जाओ, है ना बेटा? That's good. आयुष पावर, right? Come on. उसमें क्या अरे कुछ चीज लिखा हुआ है, कॉन्जुगेट चीज क्या? Oh wow. Okay, so I want to say अर्हीनियस थ्योरी का हिसाब से ये कॉन्जुगेट एसिड बेस पेयर होता है. ये एक सब्सटेंस से मान लो ये एसिड है, ये हाइड्रोजन प्लस निकाल दो, सो इसका कॉन्जुगेट बेस मिलेगा और बेस का आप हाइड्रोजन प्लस ऐड करो, इसका कॉन्जुगेट एसिड मिलेगा. सो दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट टू से. इन दिस HClO4 इससे एक हाइड्रोजन हटा दो सो दैट ClO4 माइनस. सो मान लो दिस इज अ स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड है, सो एसिड H प्लस आयन छोड़ के इसका कॉन्जुगेट बेस मिलेगा. सो मैं क्या बोलना चाहता हूँ, HClO4 एंड ClO4 माइनस ये जोड़ी आपका बोलना है कॉन्जुगेट एसिड बेस पेयर, conjugate acid base pair. So मेरा आंसर है, I am going to give you Pankaj, Arpit Pandey and Abhishek. Your answer is D and it is correct. So the way I am explaining to give the appropriate answer, you just learn it. Any doubt in that? Fine. Mohit, your answer is good. और एक क्वेश्चन तैयार, और एक क्वेश्चन. फाइन. नाउ a monoprotic acid is 1.00 molar solution is 0.01% ionized. The dissociation constant of this acid Yeah, dissociation constant of the acid. कौन देगा आंसर? फटाफट करके देना. I want to see the answer in the chat box. So the question is in front of you, is getting ready. Will you do? Arpit Pandey, will you do? Yes. Pankaj, I wait for you. So take a minute. So when you solve a question, you follow a method. We all discussed the concepts of the ionic equilibrium this week itself, right? Arpit Pandey want to say A. Okay. Arpit Pandey want to say it is A. Good. So Pankaj, Abhishek, okay, Mohit. So waiting to confirm Pankaj का आंसर क्या होगा? अरे कमाल कर रहे हैं आप लोग, अच्छा किया. सो इसका क्या? सो ये मोनोप्रोटिक एसिड, मान लो ये मोनोप्रोटिक एसिड HA gives rise H plus and A minus, है ना? The dissociation constant Ka is equal to C alpha square upon 1 minus alpha. So 1 minus alpha ignore karo. So C is given 1, alpha is given 0.01 and it square करने के बाद क्या मिलेगा आपको? So Ka is equal to C alpha square by 1 minus alpha. So alpha is equal to 0.01, say 100 is nearly equal to 1. So C alpha square 0.01 upon 100 square into 1, so 1 into 10 power minus 8 हमारा आंसर. आपका जो आंसर दिया पंकज, everybody is given the correct answer. सबका आंसर, अरे it is A. सबका आंसर मंजूर है. Got it? Clear? That's good. That's good. So let's do one more. Let's do one more. You got all, how did you get this? So मान लो ये वाला HA gives rise H plus A minus, initially C moles 0 and 0, C minus C alpha, alpha is the degree of dissociation, C alpha and C alpha, Ka is equal to C alpha dot C alpha upon C minus C alpha, that is C square alpha square of C of 1 minus alpha. So that is C alpha square upon 1 minus alpha. So if you ignore this value, Ka is equal to C alpha square. Got it? Khan King. अरे तो पेशेंस नहीं है. Move ahead. Summary, James, you want to give the summary? Okay, definitely I'll give it. Okay, bit patience is required. I'm going to give you the pH calculation summary. Okay, fine. Okay, और एक क्वेश्चन करने के बाद. So for two acids A and B, pKa value 1.2, pKb value is 2.8 respectively in this value, then which is true? It could be A and B are equally acidic. A is stronger acid than B, B is stronger acid than A, neither A nor B is strong. आपका आंसर क्या होगा? आपका आंसर क्या होगा? जल्दी बताओ. यू वांट टू से ए, ओके. जिसका pKa वैल्यू ज्यादा है ये वीक एसिड होगा. जिसका pKa वैल्यू, pKa एंड pKb वैल्यू इज गिवन. ओके, A and B for two acids A and B, pK values for A and for B you just identify like that, not B here. Okay, that's why pK values. Yes, it is. Now I want to say A is stronger acid than B. I want to say the value of pKa for stronger acid is less. Okay, this is a pKa value of A and this is the pKa value of B. I want to say as Ka value increases, acidic strength increases. मान लो James, for you, as you are asking me to just revise for 10 minutes, definitely I will do this after this slide. pH calculation का flow chart एक बार discuss करना चाहता हूँ. So pKa is equal to negative logarithm to the base 10 of Ka. So इसका वजह से नेगेटिव लॉगरिथम वैल्यू इंक्रीज्ड. सो अगर pKa इंक्रीज होगा तो एसिडिक नेचर डिक्रीज होगा. जेम्स फाइन, फाइन बेटा. James, are you there? I want to revise the pH calculation or just 5 minutes. Is that fine? If you say yes, I will start. Otherwise, one more question I will start. Improve your NEET 2025 rank. Please fill out the Google forms. Huh? Okay. Abhishek, okay, fine. I am going to revise this for a while. Just pH calculation का थोड़ा सा. So कैसे करना, क्या करना, सब लोग एक बार देखना. So calculation of pH. So calculation of pH. So everybody knows the formulas, but today I just want to give you the methods. So the pH is equal to negative logarithm to the base 10 of H plus ion concentration. Similarly, pOH is equal to negative logarithm to the base 10 of OH minus ion concentration. And pH plus pOH is equal to 14. So this is a formula. And this is another formula, this is also a formula, and this is only applicable at 25 degrees centigrade where 0 to 14, pH is equal to 7 is equal to neutral, pH is equal less than 7 is equal to acidic, pH is greater than 7 is basic. This is applicable for 25 degrees centigrade only, 25 degrees centigrade only. अगर टेम्परेचर बढ़ते जाएगा तो क्या होगा? टेम्परेचर बढ़ना है, Kw वैल्यू बढ़ना है, so that pH should decrease. That's very important. What is the Kw value? Ionic product of water is equal to H plus ion concentration dot OH minus ion concentration is equal to 1.0 into 10 power minus 14 mole per liter square, right? Now this is all okay, but what you want to say, अगर आपका H plus ion concentration मान लो A into 10 power 10 A into 10 power minus B, A into 10 power minus B, the B pH is equal to B minus log to the base 10 of A. You find this particular relation. इसी से, yes, Raja Khan, is that fine? Abhishek, what you said is correct. And you follow these methods and you know the logarithm values. You can use the logarithm values and log values questions में खुद देना चाहिए. Otherwise, you can memorize 1 to 10 logarithm values or 1 to 5 logarithm values and you can do the one. For what B? अरे your question फिलहाल नहीं दिया, आप आंसर दे रहे हैं. Okay, now let us see the pH of a strong acid and a pH of a strong base, pH of a mixture of strong acids, pH of a mixture of strong bases, like that. I just want to say for strong acid, H plus ion concentration is equal to normality of acid. What is normality, beta? So while calculating pH, prefer normality. So normality is equal to molarity into N factor. For an acid, the number of H plus ion that is given by one molecule of an acid, that is acidity. For a base, number of OH minus ions that are given has to be taken into the consideration. So here for strong base, the OH minus ion is equal to normality of base. That's it. When you want to mix a strong acid and a strong base, what could be the formula? If a mixture of a strong acids so H plus ion concentration of a mixture is equal to N1 V1 plus N2 V2 upon V1 plus V2. Got it? So kept quiet, dear children, kept quiet. थोड़ा सा एनर्जी बढ़ो. अरे mixture of strong bases, OH minus ion is equal to फिर भी N1 V1 plus N2 V2 upon V1 plus V2. So these are all formulas. If a mixture of strong acid and a strong base, if they mix it, क्या होगा? अगर mixture of strong acid and a strong base, उसमें क्या होगा आप बता दीजिए. सो मान लो आपका Na is normality of an acid, and Nb is normality of base, and Va is volume of an acid, Vb is volume of base, है ना. Now Na, Va and Nb, Vb decides. अगर Na, Va, Nb, Vb तो बराबर होगा तो Na, Va is equal to Nb, Vb क्या होगा? अभिषेक, Pankaj, yes, it is going to be pH is going to be 7 and it is going to be neutral. Wherever NaVA is greater than NbVb, then acid is going to be dominated, pH is going to be less than 7 and it is going to be acidic. उस समय में acid जीत गया, so that H plus ion has to be calculated NbVb minus NaVa upon Va plus Vb. So ये H plus ion concentration से आप pH निकाल सकते हैं. Are you getting or not? Got it? और एक चीज है, अगर NB Vb is greater than NaVa, तब आपका बेस जीत गया, so pH is going to be greater than 7, it is going to be basic in nature. Got it? Very nice. So in that case, OH minus ion is equal to NbVb minus NaVa upon Va plus Vb. सो यहाँ से POH पहले निकाल, सो pH आप POH से निकाल सकते हैं 14 minus POH. So this is the overall story. James, you are asking, this is the overall story between the strong acids and strong bases and their mixtures. Are you getting or not? Come on. Arpit, Pandey. You kept quiet. No, come on. James. Just take a snapshot of this. Fatafat. आगे बढ़ो. Now weak acids क्या करना? Weak acids. So weak acids, pH can be calculated for monobasic weak acids. H plus is equal to C alpha. H plus is going to be C alpha. You can also use Ka is equal to C alpha. C alpha square by 1 minus alpha. Alpha is equal to root over Ka by C. H plus ion concentration is equal to C alpha. So that C Ka dot upon C. So H plus ion concentration root over Ka dot C. Similarly for weak bases, OH minus ion concentration is equal to root over Kb dot C. यहाँ से pH निकाल सकते हैं. कैसे निकाल सकते हैं बेटा? So you can use pH is equal to negative logarithm Ka dot C to the power 1 by 2, है ना? कर सकते. Acid dissociation constant or even alpha or concentration is required to calculate for weak acid or weak base. Got it? So यहाँ से क्या करूँ मैं? POH can be calculated from negative logarithm Kb dot C to the power 1 by 2. है ना? Right, that's good. And अगर mixture of weak acids, H plus ion concentration निकलेगा आपका root over Ka1 dot C1 plus Ka2 dot C2. Similarly, mixture of weak bases, अभिषेक अब बोलो, mixture of that is OH minus ion concentration is equal to root over Kb1 C1 plus Kb2 C2. Right? Arpit Pandey. Now I just want to go for the combination between the weak acid and weak base. Right? I'll talk about mixture of weak acid plus strong acid. Mixture of weak acid and strong acid. So I mean to say H plus ion concentration is equal to normality of strong acid plus normality of weak acid, but due to common ion effect, ignore the ionization of weak acid. Therefore मैं क्या बोलना चाहता हूँ, H plus ion concentration जो भी आ रहा हूँ that is nothing but normality of सिर्फ strong acid लेना अच्छा होगा कैलकुलेशन करने के लिए. Yes, that's very good. It's a beautiful technique I have given. CIE is nothing but common ion effect. Common ion effect. A common ion effect होता है क्या? Ionization of weak electrolyte is depressed or suppressed by the addition of a strong electrolyte which has a common ion in it, is called as a common ion effect. बहुत अच्छा काम करते हैं ये, बहुत अच्छा काम करते हैं ये टोटल सारे के सारा आयनिक इक्विलिब्रियम में, है ना बेटा? अरे स्टूडेंट्स, यू केप्ट क्वाइट. अहमद and Pankaj, Abhishek, Arpit Pandey, come on, आगे लग जाओ. So we are doing the best in the class. Don't go behind the screen and multiple choice questions फिर आना है after this slide. Okay, get ready for that. And mixture of weak acid and strong acid फिलहाल आप देख चुका, and I just want to say mixture of strong base plus weak base. एंड फिर भी यहाँ पर OH माइनस आयन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन आएगा. नॉर्मलिटी ऑफ स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस प्लस नॉर्मलिटी ऑफ वीक बेस ड्यू टू कॉमन आयन इफेक्ट. ड्यू टू कॉमन आयन इफेक्ट, कॉमन आयन इफेक्ट, दिस इज इग्नोर्ड. दिस इज इग्नोर्ड. सो OH माइनस आयन बराबर देख रहे हैं आपका नॉर्मलिटी ऑफ स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस. यहाँ से आप pH कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. पहले POH निकाल, POH से pH 14 से सब्ट्रैक्ट करने तो POH निकलेगा. ओके, आर यू गेटिंग और नॉट? वेरी गुड. नाउ इफ weak acid and strong base and strong acid and weak base, now the combination is changed. Combination is changed. So let's talk about weak acid plus strong base. So if that's the case, acid equivalence NaVa is equal to NbVb. So मान लो weak acid का है CH3COOH and strong base sodium hydroxide. So when this is completely neutralized, it is going to give us COONA, right? Now if NaVa is greater than NbVb, so that what happened, base is completely consumed and this is going to be the limiting reagent. This is going to be the limiting reagent. So reaction mixture में क्या क्या बचेगा? Acid बचेगा CH3COOH and also जो भी salt form हो गया, so that CH3COONA form होगा. और एक चीज़ है, देखो अगर NbVb is greater than NaVa, so that it is going to be the limiting reagent, so that sodium hydroxide and CH3COONA is going to be formed. So what are the things are formed, how it is a reagent. So Abhishek, the one which is completely consumed during the reaction is called limiting reagent. Understand? Stoichiometry का हिसाब से. Now मान लो this सिर्फ CH3COONA बचेगा ये reaction mixture में, so that apply salt hydrolysis concept. Then calculate the pH, salt of weak acid and strong base, है ना? Now if this is the case, in the presence of CH3COONA, nothing will be there, so that NaOH is left and POH you have to calculate, and you apply the amount of sodium hydroxide that is consumed, and it is a strong base formula. सिर्फ स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस का लॉजिक इस्तेमाल करना है यहाँ पर, लेकिन यहाँ पर साल्ट हाइड्रोलिसिस का कॉन्सेप्ट इस्तेमाल करना। एंड वीक एसिड एंड साल्ट ऑफ स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस एंड दिस मिक्सचर, आपका क्या लग रहे हैं मिक्सचर? सो इट इज अ वीक एसिड एंड इसका साल्ट है, इट इज ए बफर। सो ये कॉन्सेप्ट में बफर कॉन्सेप्ट का हिसाब से अब पीएच कैलकुलेट करना बेटा। सो एक ही मिक्सचर है, लेकिन कंडीशन का हिसाब से आप साल्ट हाइड्रोलिसिस कॉन्सेप्ट इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं, बफर कॉन्सेप्ट इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं, और स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस कॉन्सेप्ट इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। एंड वाइस वर्सा, अगेन यू आर गोइंग टू टेक स्ट्रॉन्ग वीक बेस एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड। आप खुद कर लेना, आप खुद करना है, राइट। सो अगेन वी गो टू मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस दैट आर देयर, left over multiple choice questions. Hope you understood this logic. Wonderful logic. अभिषेक, पसंद है आपको ये लॉजिक? आपको पसंद लग रहे हैं? ओके, राइट। सो लेट्स डू जेम्स। Yeah, which of the following is the strongest conjugate base? Come on. Which of the following is the strongest conjugate base? A rapid fire round. A rapid fire round. Arpit Pandey. Loud आ गया. Come on. ये क्वेश्चन आंसर करने के लिए, ये वीक एसिड कैन हैव ए स्ट्रॉन्ग कॉन्जुगेट बेस। ये वीक एसिड will have strong conjugate base, that's very important. Okay, now इसमें एसिड, इसका पापा कौन है? HCl, H2SO4, HNO2, CH3COOH. So acidic strength like this, and the conjugate base strength SO4 2 minus, Cl minus, NO2 minus, and CH3 COO minus. So it is a strong conjugate base. Got it? आपका आंसर है बी, आपका आंसर आएगा फिर भी बी, है ना? यस। नाउ लेट अस डू वन मोर इन द इक्विलिब्रियम। CH3COOH plus HF gives rise reversibly CH3COOH2 plus and F minus. So you just find out the true statement, find the true statement, find the true statement. कब देंगे? Find the true statement. Now in this case, look at this, look at this. H plus is taken here, so it is a base, it is an acid. Now H plus is given here, this is a base and it is an acid. So ये acid का ये conjugate base होगा. So F minus is the conjugate base of HF, है ना? मेरा आंसर B होगा. Abhishek, you are not giving answers, you just saying, okay? Abhishek, fine. Now और एक क्वेश्चन करना तैयार है? So which of the following is the strongest Lewis base? Which of the following is the strongest Lewis base? Which of the following is strongest Lewis base? Lewis base क्या? This is electron pair, Lewis acid, electron pair acceptor, electron pair acceptor. When you talk about boron trifluoride, boron sp2 hybridized, it is having a trifluoride like this. Now there is a vacant orbital that is present because boron is electron deficient, and also the fluorine is having lone pair of electron on it. So this fluorine, the lone pair of electron present on the fluorine is given back. So this is what you call it as back bonding. बैक बॉन्डिंग का वजह से बोरॉन का जो वेकेंट ऑर्बिटल है, ये वेकेंट ऑर्बिटल इलेक्ट्रॉन लेने के तैयार नहीं है, so that the BF3 is going to be weak Lewis acid. I want to say Lewis acid strength inversely proportional to the back bonding. So Lewis acid is directly proportional to back bonding. Back bonding. So as the back bonding is seen there, as the back bonding, yes, back bonding is seen. So back bonding का फ्लोरीन का greater than chlorine का greater than bromine का greater than iodine. Iodine is having, fluorine is having 2p orbital, 3p, 4p, 5p. 5p orbital of iodine and 2p orbital of boron cannot make an efficient back bonding. So Bi3 he is having less effective back bonding. Therefore it is a strong acid. Therefore it is going to be the strong acid. Yes, it is a Lewis acid based concept. So my answer is going to be Bi3. So I just want to say here Lewis acid strength, Lewis acid strength BF3 is less than BCl3 less than BBr3 less than Bi3. Got it? Fine. Next, one more question. Which of the following is not a Lewis acid? और क्या ऐसा कर सकता हो? अरे, we are doing so many problems. Just directly meets the range of NEET examination, and also some numericals also getting ready for you. Come on, don't go back. Come on, make it fast. So what is the meaning of फिर भी again Lewis acid? There is electron pair acceptor. So how do it accept as electron? So to accept the electron, it should have at least one vacant orbital. So अगर उसके इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सेप्ट करने के लिए वेकेंट ऑर्बिटल होगा तो ये लुईस एसिड बन सकते हैं. यस, CSiF4 it is there, vacant d orbitals there, FeCl3 BF3, लेकिन C2H4 किसी के पास इसका हाइड्रोजन 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 एंड हाइड्रोजन, this pi bond can be a Lewis base, cannot be the Lewis acid. Answer is going to be D. Correct, Abhishek. Answer is going to be D. Very good. Nice. And or a question, Harry, the expression for the solubility product of Al2SO4 thrice. That's good, correct. Correct, Abhishek, it can't accept it. Boost your score with Infinity Learn and you can enroll. A link is given in the chat box. In the chat box, link is given. Everybody, please click on this link once and you can see all the features of the various courses. Okay. Yes, your answer? Al2SO4 thrice is going to give you 2Al3 plus SO4 2 minus, there are 2, there are 3. So that KSP आएगा आपका aluminium 3 plus to the power square and SO4 2 minus is cubed. So my answer is going to be B. Yes, that's good. That's good. Here, that's good. Nice. That's the spirit. That's the spirit. Okay. Now, Abhishek, link click kiya. Arpit Pandey, where did you go? You kept quiet. I don't understand. Are you there in the session or जाके आए थे फिर? Okay. Now let's do one more question. Let's do again on addition of ammonium chloride to a solution of ammonium hydroxide. क्या चीज देख रहे हैं? Dissociation of ammonium hydroxide increases. Concentration of OH minus decreases. Concentration of OH minus decreases. Concentration of NH4 plus and OH minus increases. Arpit Pandey, such a logical questions that I have given. Follow the logic. Follow करके देखो. Expecting an answer? Okay, let us say what happens when ammonium hydroxide is ionized. NH4 OH is ionized to gives rise NH4 plus and OH minus, है ना? अरे अगर ये इक्विलिब्रियम में अमोनियम क्लोराइड ऐड किया हुआ, so it is a weak base and it is a strong electrolyte. So strong electrolyte क्या होगा? Ammonium chloride ionizes to gives rise ammonium plus and Cl minus. उसमें कॉमन आयन एक चीज़ है. सो ये कॉमन आयन आप ऐड करना चाहता हूँ. ये कॉमन आयन का वजह से ये इक्विलिब्रियम में प्रोडक्ट कॉन्सेंट्रेशन बढ़ गया. सो अगर प्रोडक्ट कॉन्सेंट्रेशन बढ़ गया तो इक्विलिब्रियम पीछे आने की कोशिश करता है. दिस फिनोमिना इज नोन एज कॉमन आयन इफेक्ट. ये कॉमन आयन इफेक्ट का वजह से NH4 प्लस शुड गो बैक. कभी OH माइनस आयन भी कंबाइन करके जाना पड़ता है. Concentration of OH minus ion decreases, so that my answer is going to be C, and I am going to appreciate Arpit Pandey and Abhishek. So this kind of questions जो भी आप तैयार करना चाहता हूँ नीट एग्जामिनेशन में थियरी एंड एनालिटिकल क्वेश्चंस ऐसे आता है. गॉट इट अर्पित? अरे अर्पित इतना नाराज क्यों? आपके लिए एमसीक्यू तैयार करके रखे मैं. ओके ओके, और एक thank you very much. One more question. The solubility product of a salt having general formula mx2 in water is 4 into 10 power minus 12. The concentration of m2 plus ions in the aqueous solution of the salt is. शुरू से आपका क्वेश्चन से पहला उल्टा फुल्टा क्वेश्चन से छोटा मोटा क्वेश्चन से आप आगे बढ़ते जाओ, क्वेश्चंस का डेप्थ भी बढ़ते जा रहे हैं. ओके अर्पित पांडे, कम ऑन आंसर दे के दें. Yes, Arpit, what is your answer? Abhishek, do it. Okay. So let's look at this. mx2 is going to give us m2 plus and x minus. Just I want to say here mx2 gives rise m2 plus and 2x minus. So agar solubility it is going to be S, it is going to be 2S. KSP is going to be S dot 2S square is going to be 4S cube. 4S cube. So that from the 4S cube and KSP value is equal to 4 into 10 power minus 12. Yes is equal to 4S cube. Solve for S. S is going to be 1 into 10 power minus 4 is 1 into 10 power minus 4 is the answer. So that my answer is going to be B. Abhishek and Arpit Pandey is given the absolutely correct answer. Very good. Nice to see your answers are absolutely correct. Okay. और एक क्वेश्चन करना है. चार्ट बॉक्स में देखो एक लिंक दिया हुआ एवरीबॉडी, और एक लिंक क्लिक करके आप ये जो कोर्स तैयार है, सो यू जस्ट परस्यू दिस कोर्सेज सो दैट यू कैन सी द awesome journey with Infinity Land in NEET examination preparation. ओके नाउ और एक क्वेश्चन है, एक क्वेश्चन करना जो डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक भेजा हुआ लिंक एक बार क्लिक करना. ओके very good. Now if the solubility product KSP of sparingly soluble salt mx2 is 1 into 10 power minus 11 and the solubility of the salt in mole per liter at this temperature, and जो पिछले क्वेश्चन किया हुआ ना यही मेथड इस्तेमाल करके एक बार करने का कोशिश करो, अच्छा होगा आपको. हाउ मेनी क्वेश्चंस आर देयर, और कितना क्वेश्चन चाहिए आपको, और कितना क्वेश्चन चाहिए, लेस और मोर और काफी है. ओके इट्स ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन यू. आप जितना कर सकते हो उतने कर सकते हो. हाँ, यू वांट टू से ये, वेरी गुड. That's great to see. Now again फिर भी KSP is equal to 4S cube because it is again पिछले क्वेश्चन का साइज है mx2. mx2 gives rise m2 plus 2x minus है ना, and KSP value is equal to 4S cube is equated to KSP value. Solve for S. S cube is equal to 2.5 into 10 power minus 12. On solving S is equal to under root 3 cube 2.5 10 power minus 2, so it is going to be 1.36 into 10 power minus 4. I just want to say option B is the correct answer. अर्पित पांडे, क्यूब रूट निकालना है, क्यूब रूट निकालना है, ठीक है, राइट. ओके, और एक क्वेश्चन है, और एक क्वेश्चन है. 2.46 आ रहे हैं ना? नहीं नहीं नहीं, रूट में अंदर है ना. हाँ, यस 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 यस, अभिषेक फाइन, रूट में अंदर है ना अर्पित. नाउ और एक क्वेश्चन करना. ए सॉल्यूशन विच इज 10 power minus 3 molar of each Mn2 plus, Fe2 plus, zinc 2 plus and mercury 2 plus is treated with 10 power minus 6 molar sulfide ion. If the Ksp of these ions are 10 power minus 15, 10 power minus 23, 10 power minus 20 and 10 power minus 54 respectively, the one which precipitate is, and this logic is very important. This logic is very important to solve practical chemistry as well as ionic equilibrium, and this model of the questions are more prominent for NEET examination. एंड मैं क्या बोलना चाहता हूं, जिसका सॉल्युबिलिटी प्रोडक्ट कम है ये ज्यादा प्रेसिपिटेट करने का कोशिश करता, सो दैट इसमें केएसपी वैल्यू और एक बार चेक करो. केएसपी वैल्यू 10 पावर माइनस 15, 10 पावर माइनस 23, 10 पावर माइनस 20, 10 पावर माइनस 54, ये कम से कम वैल्यू का है. ये किसका है? मर्क्यूरी सल्फेट का. सो दैट मर्क्यूरी सल्फेट जल्दी प्रेसिपिटेट करने का कोशिश करता. So my answer is going to be C. I am going to agree answer with you all guys, right? So my answer is C. So ionic product of the solution is 10 power minus 19, because the metal sulfide having the lowest solubility will precipitate first, provided the ionic product is higher than the Ksp. So I just want to say a very important point. जब क्वेश्चंस कनेक्ट करते हैं ना, Ksp is less than K ionic product, तभी precipitate is going to be formed. Okay, अगर Ksp is greater than Kip, तभी solubility ज़्यादा होता है, precipitate do not form. So condition for precipitation, this is what you call it as a condition for precipitation. Very 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 important. Okay, अर्पित पांडे और एक क्वेश्चन, और एक क्वेश्चन तैयार है आपको और काफी है, और एक क्वेश्चन तैयार है. नेक्स्ट, the solubility product of barium sulfate at 25 degrees centigrade is 1 into 10 power minus 9, and what would be the concentration of H2SO for necessary to precipitate barium sulfate from the solution of 0.01 molar barium to ions. So Arpit Pandey and Abhishek, enough, और दो questions करना है, और दो करना, and you see you can assess the depth of the question. शुरुआत में क्या, which of the following is non electrolyte, which of the following is an electrolyte. अभी कहा डूब गए पूरा, करके बताओ, पेन एंड पेपर पकड़ के और एक बार करके बताओ, जल्दी जल्दी करना. ओके, पांडे करेंगे, अभिषेक, पंकज, Now, this is the thing, when you say barium sulfate is going to ionize to gives rise barium sparingly soluble now, SO4 2 minus. So, KSP is going to be barium 2 plus and SO4 2 minus. So, that barium 2 plus SO4 2 minus, it is 1.5 in 10 power minus 19 KSP value, and it is 1.5, okay, and barium 2 plus concentration is going to be 0.01 molar, and required sulfate ion concentration उसमें ये डिवाइड करके 1.5 इंटू 10 पावर माइनस 7 निकला. सो द H2SO4 कॉन्सेंट्रेशन जब इसका 1.5 इंटू 10 पावर माइनस 7 से ग्रेटर होगा तो तब भी बेरियम सल्फेट प्रेसिपिटेट होगा. सो दैट आई जस्ट वांट टू से मिनिमम कम से कम आपका 10 पावर माइनस 7 चाहिए. गॉट इट? दैट्स माय आंसर सी. गॉट इट? Now, one more question. The solubility of calcium fluoride in moles per liter, then solubility product is. It's very simple. आप कौन दे सकते हैं? Yes, Arpit Pandey. You want me to stop here? Okay. So this is the last question. We'll do it, and we'll end up the session. बट आग लगने हैं ये चार्ट बॉक्स में, आप आग लगने हैं एट द एंड ऑफ द सेशन, राइट? सो बी एक्टिव इन द चार्ट बॉक्स. आपका आंसर क्या होगा इसका? अभिषेक बी, सिर्फ बी और फिर भी ओके, लाइक दैट, कम ऑन. सो कैल्शियम फ्लोराइड ionizes to gives rise, you can see calcium fluoride ionizes to gives rise calcium 2 plus and 2F minus, है ना? So S2S KSP is going to be S dot 2S square. So KSP is going to be 4S cube. My answer is going to be 4S cube. तैयार है? And Arpit, yes, that's good. I want to see. That's good. And today we had a great swell of good questions, and hope you all like these questions. And in Monday's class we are going to start with aldehydes and ketones. Get ready for that YouTube session, 12th grade organic chemistry. Get ready for that. Yes. So we had a great session today. Thank you very much, and we'll meet with more stuff in the next class. Thank you very much. Bye bye. God bless you. Signing off. Suresh, how are you from Infinity Lens Studio? Thank you. Bye bye.